Hello everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to study window function, grouping set, roll up and cube. So this is my table, and in this table I have a column country, city, region and unit sold. So I want to see total sales country wise, city wise and region wise. So for this I will write select country and unit sum of the total units sold, and here I give alias name total sales from details, and I will use group by and country. So for suppose that I execute this query, so it gave me the result, like it shows me total sales country wise. And for if I want to see total sales city wise, for this I will write select city sum of units sold from details group by city. So this gave me total sales city wise. And if I want to see total sale region wise, so I will write the query select region sum of total units sold and from details group by region. So it gave me the result, it gave me total sales region wise. So suppose that here is only three, I want to see only three column, total sales of the three column. But what if I will have so many columns and I want to see the total sales, total profit of the so many column. So if I will write query in this way, if I will write individually query, so it will create a lot of duplicacy and it will become so much complex. So here I have a function, I have a grouping set function. So I will use this function instead of writing individually this query. I will use this grouping set function. So instead of writing individually, I will write select country, city, region sum of units sold, as here I give alias name to this total sales from details, this is my table name, and group by, and I will use grouping set function, and then I will write this column name country, city and region. So if we will execute this query, it shows me the result, it shows me total sales country wise total sales it shows me, and then it shows me city wise total sales and region wise total sales. And what if I will not, if I want to see the total sales without any condition, so for this I will use this only, I will write this, and it now it gave me total sales without any condition. So this is my total sales overall. So grouping sets basically used for grouping the column name in this way. But grouping sets basically it's showing me total sales individually, like it shows me country wise details, city wise details, and then it shows me region wise sales. But what if I want to see the overall total sales of the three columns, and I want to see the total sales of two columns only, and individually. So for this I have a function roll up. So for this I will use roll up function. So instead of writing grouping set, I will use roll up. So now execute this query. So now you can see, if you don't have condition, in this way it shows me total sales, and it shows me total sales of the three columns country wise, city wise and region wise. And now it shows me country wise and city wise total sales, and only country wise, only country it shows me total sales. So this is the how roll up function works. Like it gave me result of the, it shows me total sales like so three, by grouping of three columns and by grouping of only two columns and only individually it shows me the result. But what if I want to see the result of the overall three columns, and then I want to see the country and city group with the group of these two columns, and then with the group of these two columns, and then group with the group of country and region column. So for this I have function, and that is cube. So for this I will use cube function. So for this I will write select country, city, region, sum of unit soles from details, and I will use group by and function cube, and then I will write column name. So I will execute this query. So it shows me the result, like if I don't put any condition, then it shows me total sales, and it shows me the group of with the group of three columns total sales, and it shows me only country, only the sales of the country, only the sales of city, only the sales of region. It shows with the group, it shows me like only country wise total sales, and then it shows me city and region. If I group these two columns, then it shows me the total sales, like city and region, it shows me total sales, and it shows me only city wise total sales, and it shows me with the group of country and region, with the group of country and region it shows me total sales. And that was all about this function, like how grouping, set, roll up and cubes works. So I hope it's clear to you, and thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.